I'm Keith Singer. I'm going to review the notice regarding the rights about health insurance that is required to be filed along with a petition for dissolution of marriage and a petition for legal separation of marriage. This is a form that is required by the court. It doesn't really have much substantive effect, but the information may be important. Frankly, the information on the notice regarding the rights of insurance is a lot less important than it was years ago. It used to be that there was this thing called COBRA. Many employers still have it, and you'll recognize the term. COBRA is an acronym for a program that allows the non-employee spouse to continue to be enrolled in the health insurance through the employer for a period of time after a divorce, and it allows the spouse to continue to receive benefits at much greater expense because the spouse is paying, or the ex-spouse is paying, both the employer and the employee's portion of the health insurance. It used to be that people needed COBRA in order to continue to be insured for health after a divorce because some people were uninsurable because of health issues or otherwise, and they needed that COBRA to continue to have continuity of health insurance coverage. So if someone didn't enroll in COBRA, they might be without health insurance, and that could be a serious problem. That's why the court instituted this notice that there was a right to be insured under the COBRA system. Well, without getting too much into the politics of it, now we have a national health insurance option that is available, Obamacare people call it, that allows someone to be insured after divorce without going to the former spouse's employer. You can get your own insurance under the Obamacare plan. So the point is, you can probably obtain health insurance for yourself if you're covered under your spouse's employer policy upon divorce without using COBRA, if you just do some planning and check and see what plan might be available to you at the time of divorce, and then that plan can come into place shortly after the divorce or immediately after the divorce occurs. That's the purpose of this notice, is to keep people's health insurance in place one way or another. If you need COBRA coverage, the notice is informing you or your spouse that you need to elect it timely. If you don't need COBRA coverage, it's also kind of reminding you that you need to make provision for your own health insurance after the divorce is over, so there's no gap in coverage. Thank you.